In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down to access privacy. Following that, click on Permission Manager and click on one of your device's options that you wish to manage, like camera. Now tap on one of your apps. I will go with messages and click on one of those options to apply the best one for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the last one, so when I click, in this case I need to choose don't allow anyway in the pop-up, and after that go back. As you can see, messages no longer have access to my device's camera. But you can always select any feature and then look for an app that you wish to manage. Now, instead of selecting one of those options, click on See All Permissions at the bottom of the list and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!